It's time for a fresh approach on the European trailer axles market. The VALX company is based in Waalkens, the Netherlands. The company developed a new range of 9-ton trailer axles with disc or drum brakes and 19.5 or 22.5-inch wheel sizes for the European market. Throughout Europe, the people of Vaalks take care of design, sales, assembly, distribution and after-sales of its new axles. We invite you to try this new concept for yourself. It's time for Vaalks. Vaalks delivers a new experience in trailer axle design. Our design team, headed by UK axle and suspension specialist Les Price, chose a design that is smart, but at the same time proven and tested. A design that reduces risks to the absolute minimum, focusing on strength instead of lightness alone, on consistent high-quality manufacturing, and on easy foolproof serviceability. All aimed at giving your operations competitive edge. This all translates into high reliability and unmatched total cost of ownership. That's what you'll experience with Vaalks. The Vaalks axle beams have a higher strength-to-weight ratio than any other in Europe. The design includes a groove in the axle for lifetime secure positioning of the non-welded clamped air suspension. The surface-treated axle beams have an extremely strong, seamless, non-welded cold-drawn beam design to eliminate every risk of possible material weakness. The smart design of the wheel end, with the wide 132mm spacing between the bearings, minimizes bearing loads and increases lifetime. When the hub is removed, the bearings and seals are retained in place by circ clips, protecting them against dirt entry and simplifying reassembly. The ventilated brake discs optimize thermal performance, offering consistent and predictable brake response. The drum brakes have been developed with the support of brake expert, Professor Andrew Day. The air suspension meets the Vaalks vision of low component count, minimal maintenance and lightweight. The suspension is clamped around the axle into a groove in the beam. The full range of regular ride heights can be met with minimal component changes, and different offsets can be easily adjusted. The axle beam, all major components and complete axles are subjected to an extensive lab test program, all to determine stress limits and failure modes. Tests have been carried out at a number of facilities, including an independent automotive test centre in the UK and all partners' test centres. Testing to the limits and beyond, over and over again. Our track test programs included tens of thousands of kilometers of rough roads, pave, corrugations, curb strikes, emergency stops, water troughs, and many more at proving grounds in the UK, the Netherlands, and China, which are among the world's toughest test facilities. The durability tests simulated at least 1 million kilometers at each location. At Myra, this distance even corresponds up to 2 million kilometers of normal tanker operation on Western European roads. At last, the proof of the pudding is in road testing of actual trailer operation. We've tested the Vaalks axles over many thousands of kilometers in many different fleet applications and environments. From mountain ranges to Arctic Circle, on all kinds of surfaces and with a wide range of loads, including flatbed trailers and tankers. The VALX axle beam is built in one of today's most advanced factories of the world's largest axle manufacturer. This major facility, located in Taishan City, has an area of 1.6 million square meters. Production for VALX is in a dedicated and separate production hall, which was opened in early 2010. The plant has world-class production equipment, including more than 600 of the latest highly automated CNC machines. Also, extensive testing and quality assurance facilities are present. Automated laser measuring and extensive X-ray inspection ensure consistent high production quality. Release procedures are followed at every stage. Processes such as hot forming and heat treatment are PLC controlled, reducing manual labor to a minimum and ensure reproducibility and freedom from faults. All these aspects ensure that the quality of our Fuwa manufactured components is at least equal to other components manufactured anywhere in the world. Final axle assembly is carried out by VALX Logistics Center in Venlo, the Netherlands. This optimizes the various components supply chain to rapidly respond to specific customer needs, short lead times, and the delivery of finished axles from stock. Service is available through the VALX service and support network of around 300 trailer repair shops across Europe. International multi-language emergency support facilities are accessible around the clock. The helpline can be reached 24/7, and full repair instructions are also directly accessible on the VALX website. VALX offers an initial program of most popular 9 tons axle types with 19.5 or 22.5 inch wheel sizes, disc or drum brakes, and equipped with the MBS air suspension, hereby meeting the needs and preferences of most trailer designers and fleet operator applications in Europe. VALX axles are available from stock. For further details about products and availability, our sales managers are ready to provide you with fast and detailed support. Or go to www.valks.eu. Discover the world of VALX, the smart alternative.